Hello everyone. This is my final project about CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. Most of you gonna remember this from week 9's problem set, right? This is CS50's finance project. Uh, it does all the functionalities from problem set 9, and in addition to that, it has a prediction page here. In prediction page, after you enter the stock symbol and click the predict, it takes the past 5 years open and close values for that symbol and generates a forecast for next 1 year. Let's see it in action. For example, let's check for Google. Here I hit the enter. Yes, you see the 5 years open and close values in first chart, and in the second chart it shows the forecast direction for next 1 year. Let's see another one. Let's check Roblox. And it's here. Let's check for another one. For example, Netflix. Yes. And let's look a final one. Which one? Let's say Tesla. And it's here. That's it. Of course, this is not a financial advice, just a demonstration of how to use plot libraries on web apps and show them on HTML pages by using Python and Flask web framework. Thank you very much for watching and good luck with your final projects.